Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to go through with resetting your password on the Indeed job search application. So let's get started right away. Now, first of all, open up the Indeed job search application on your device, and once you open it up, if you haven't already logged into your account, you will see the sign in button. Go ahead and tap on it, and now you will be asked to enter your email address or continue with Google. Now, if you don't know your password that you set up while creating your account, you can still proceed with logging into your account by simply clicking on Continue with Google and then choosing the respective Google account, or you can enter the email address that you used to sign up for your account. Then tap on the Continue button and you will be asked to verify your identity. Tap on I'm not a robot and then tap on Continue, and you will see the option to sign in with your login code. Go ahead and tap on it and you will be asked to enter the 6-digit code that has been sent to your email. So just check your inbox and you will find the 6-digit code that you will need to enter in order to log back into your account. Now, once you find the 6-digit code within your inbox, copy this code and then paste it within the verification box. Finally, you can tap on the sign in button and then you will be logged into your account on the Indeed job search application right away. And with this method, you will not even need to enter or remember your password that you set up while creating your account at all. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to reset your password on the Indeed job search application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.